My name is Uliemi Siwe, and today we will be talking about the rise of generative AI. It is clear that AI is here and growing at a tremendous pace, but looking forward to the day, it's not just a food mashup like Food Mood, a website that helps you generate a mashup of two recipes from different countries, which is awesome in itself. But I digress. Let's talk about what generative AI is. Generative AI, unlike regular AI that just analyzes data, creates new content like writing essays, creating images like the one you see on the current slide, or even composing music. I once saw a reel where a girl was asking for forgiveness from her sister for breaking her hairdryer and told the prompt to create a song with that information. And it did. It takes books, photos, and sounds in the world and improvises, creating something new. It has been transformed in industries like fashion with like Stitch Fix, using generative AI to style clothes by analyzing customers' preferences and suggesting outfits. Or even in medicine, where the model generates researchers' tests many different molecule combinations to find one that might work, making the process of developing new drugs. It is clear that political and legal hurdles continue to grow, with some countries growing concerned and actively trying to regulate generative AI with laws aiming to ensure data security and privacy. Economically, AI is assisting companies save a lot of time and promoting efficiency. Socially, people are seeing the benefits in healthcare and in healthcare industries and other industries. While energy is still a concern, there is still substantial technology progress and investment in generative AI. On the material in chapter 6, being a first mover in generative AI comes with advantages like brand recognition and strong partnerships like OpenAI and Microsoft's collaboration. There has been some drawbacks as well in relation to high cost and navigating the hurdles in this unexplored terrain in a fast evolving technology industry. While outsourcing and strategic partnerships both involve collaboration, they are different in processes by which they achieve their goals. For example, in outsourcing, the outsourcer retains control over core processes, while in a strategic partnership, there is shared control and decision making amongst the partners. OpenAI gets the funding and computer resources it needs to keep improving, while Microsoft gets to use OpenAI in their cloud services. This is a partnership that is mutually beneficial. As it is with everything, there are pros and cons in partnership, some of which include but are not limited to the opportunity to share risk and reduce development costs, as I am sure happened between OpenAI and Microsoft, with OpenAI accepting the heavy investment in billions Microsoft offered. However, this could result in conflicting goals and potential dependency on partners. However, in the case of OpenAI and Microsoft, I believe this partnership is successful as it has stood the test of time, producing tools like ChatGPT and Copilot at the forefront of AI research. It has also received mutual financial benefits. In my opinion, I would say their partnership seems to be a successful one. So far, the top issues, ethical and social issues surrounding AI are as seen in the slide. There is bias that can be fixed by transparent practices. There is also the issue of accountability, as sometimes AI makes mistakes and it is still unclear who is responsible. There needs to be a framework for loss or harm in those cases. And there is also concern about the large amount of energy that AI needs to use up. Now, with that, the fix or the recommendation would be to prioritize energy efficient practices. The advice I will give to Nadella and Altman to keep their partnership strong is that they need to focus on responsible innovation, transparency, so people can get rid of their biases on how their data is handled and how their data is protected. Also, I would advise that there should be inclusivity. At the end of the day, technology is made by people. Microsoft and OpenAI needs to make sure their teams include people from different backgrounds and experiences so AI can serve everyone as it should. Thank you for an opportunity to speak on generative AI.